Welcome to the From 2,500 to Financial Freedom Challenge. Took $2,500, put it into NinjaTrader. Weekly recap of January 16th, went 1 for 2, profit of $2,635. Gotta say, it was a pretty good week. Ended up doubling my money. It just shows the advantage that we can get when we actually learn how to gain an edge in the market and trade using these futures. But without further ado, let's get into it and analyze these trades for the week and see how we got it. So once again, welcome. Today we're looking at January the 18th. See me on my 60-minute time frame, getting ready for the morning, trying to identify some things, adding in some demand levels, and here you see me trying to identify a potential trend line. Going down to my 10-minute time frame, then the 15-minute, back and forth between time frames, trying to identify certain edges. So we see here, we got this previous level of resistance that we're approaching, but we are on our 30-minute time frame. So I want to pay attention to this level as we closely approach it. So we're still in this uptrend, but price is kind of slowing down, so it's coming within a channel. There's not as much volatility. Our rate of change is slowing. So I want to see exactly what happens if price starts to kind of slow down at this area and potentially hit a turnaround. So now I'm getting my stop losses right. Only trading 2 contracts. Because with me putting in 2,500, I want to also be able to maintain my risk. So I only want to risk 1% of my account, so no more than $250 per trade, and slowly build my account up over time. So that's kind of what this challenge is for, to challenge myself to see if I can build an account using my money, putting in $2,500 into NinjaTrader, and see where we end up over the next 45 days or the next 60 days as I slowly scale up and you follow me along the way. So you see me looking, got some consolidation up near this level, so our initial hypothesis is kind of in play. But I don't want to get stopped out too early, so moving my limit order up to make sure that I don't get in a position that I'm not ready to accept the risk for. So we're going to be patient. Market is open not too long ago. So I just want to see what happens around this level or near this level. Now we got some buyers coming in. Hoping that this gets us to this level that I'm interested in. Looking for a turnaround of a potential pullback if we do continue to move upward. But this is a supply level where sellers previously came into the market and pushed price down. So that's why this is a level of interest for us. So we got some movement up. Nice long wick. Normally a sign of a turnaround. So now that's piqued my interest. Getting my stop loss, not my stop loss, my limit order, I'm sorry. Move my limit order closer to market price. Trying to figure out what is the most optimal position for me to enter. So just being patient, waiting for this candle to close to see exactly what happens. I always want to wait for the candles to close to make sure that we don't get caught in the middle of a candle swing. All right, now I'm pretty confident. I see that we get some bearish movement coming in, so don't want to miss the turnaround. What ended up happening, gets filled here. So looking for price to go down, but ended up getting stopped out. And what's so ironic about this, after this last bullish candle here, price continued to move down for the remainder of the day. Ended up losing only $315, but that's cool. Let's take a look at what happened the next day, January the 19th. So day 2, this is where I was telling you where price ended up moving down after we got stopped out. Hit that level. Now we're trying to see what levels of interest that we can potentially look at. So we see here, this is a potential level because we had resistance and support hold here previously. Looking at the 60-minute time frame, try to pinpoint exactly where we want to leave this horizontal line. We also see that RSI is very low. To me, that we're looking for a turnaround. Also ended in this demand level. Once again, it in my stop loss correct. Our proper risk management is the key. So now jumping down to our 1-minute time frame. What we're looking for today is some bullish movement to start, and we're looking for a potential area or level for price to continue to turn around. So the larger market sentiment is still bearish. So we want to see if we can get some bullish movement on the open and then potentially get a pullback as price continues to move lower. So as you're watching this isn't necessarily real time. It's always speed up so I can get to the analysis instead of you sitting and being patient with me as I sit here for 10 minutes watching this kind of play out. But we see that we got to this level here. Previous level of resistance. So now I got my limit order there, looking to get this sale. So as I said, we wanted to see some bullish movement as the market opened, but we want to place a sell order and hopefully continue to ride the larger market sentiment. Remember, we use our larger time frames so that we remain in the trend. We're scalpers. We hop down to the 1-minute time frames to pick and optimize our entries. So we're gonna be patient. You see that it came to this level here. Initially, I was looking for it to get back up into this supply level here. But we see that price is coming up against this high from the 930. Got a long wick there. Still just want to be patient. Looking for some consolidation. You also see our MACDs potentially turning around. Got RSI high. So we got some confluence. Ended up getting filled here. I like this position because you can see proper risk management has my stop loss above the top of the wick. So I got a little bit of wiggle room. And we want to see if this trade play out. So right here, I have a 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. So I'm only risking 25 ticks to get 125. I think it's actually 150, which is my current target. So now that I'm in the trade, getting some bearish movement. Got my stop loss automatically moving to break even, so not risking any money in this particular time. And we just want to ride the trade on out. Allow the market to do its thing, and we just want to open ourselves to receive money as they put it in our pocket. It's got a long candle there. So initially I was thinking there was going to be some more consolidation before the breakout. But it ended up getting a lot more bearish movement, a strong bearish movement than I initially anticipated. So normally I leave my target where it is to get the guaranteed money. But it's looking pretty good this morning. It's looking pretty good. Especially with candles going straight down like that. Don't want to cut my trade too short and not give it some room to breathe. You may be asking what this particular horizontal line is here. This is a previous level. So I was just looking for a price to potentially bounce off of that. Didn't, blew through it. So now we're kind of in no man's land until we get down to this lower area here. So continuing to move my target back because we got a level here that can potentially serve as some support. Once again, when there's a lot of trade to play out. Stop loss moving, so locking in money. Locked in a guaranteed 1700 thus far. It's already a beautiful day. So now we're just applying trade management. Never want to leave all money on the table. Want to be progressively moving your stop loss up as you gain more and more money. But not cutting yourself too short that you cut your trade and leave a lot of money on the table. But money in your pocket is better than left off the table. So it blew through this particular level here that would have or may have served as some support. So now this level here where I have my target is a next potential area that it can potentially go down to. But we see here, got a little spike back up. We continue to ride the market down. So nothing like just sitting here and watch yourself make money. You kind of kick back, take a deep breath. The hard part is done. Now you just want to figure out when you want to cash out. Stop loss move some more. Guaranteed 2,900 there. Just honestly a great week. Only traded 2 days this week, Wednesday and Thursday. Started with 2,500. Lost 315 on Wednesday. Won 29.50 on Thursday. Double my money, man. So we're going to keep track of this. We want to go from 2,500 to financial freedom. So that's been your recap for the week of January the 16th. Ended 1 for 2. Total profit of $2,635. Let's get it, man. 2,500 to financial freedom. And while you're still here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're here next time with Analyzing Trades live with danDeiar Investments. Until then, stay blessed and be safe.